A guy kept loudly burping at the gym, so I started doing it back. I recently moved to Hong Kong, and one thing that really annoys me is people burping loudly in public. One day at the gym, a guy next to me kept burping after every single set. It was loud enough that other people were clearly annoyed. One woman even grabbed headphones just to block the noise. So after my next set, I chugged some water and burped too. I did it a few more times until he finally confronted me and told me to stop. I told him I'll stop when you stop, and he actually did. So was that petty or fair?